Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again. In last time we saw how to get the schedule unit or the plan unit from the dynamic relation between the start and finish. But in this case we cover only the linear distribution. Today we're going to cover the non-linear distribution and we're going to use the P6 to help us in this. So let's open the P6 here. I have the activities, then from project, resource assignment, you can see it here. And it's very important to make sure that you have here under the group and sort by the same setting you use in activity. So I have WBS. Also, I have only name and description. This will impact on defining the WBS. Apply, okay. I have here a daily distribution. It's up to you. You can use daily, you can use weekly, same setting. But make sure that for the budget, you have at least cumulative budget unit, or in a certain cases, you have to use the add completion or cumulative add completion unit. Or the cost, it's up to you how you are using and how your consultant request to monitor the progress. Some standard use cost, some standard use man hour or units, whatever. Okay, so I have here all the data. I will select Control A, Control C, and in Excel here I will click on Control V. I will get all the data. This tab here, histogram, I have all the data. Then our sheet, let's call it PMS. We will in this method we have to add new column or to copy the activity ID column here, insert copy, and we need to trim all these spaces. So to trim it, there is two ways. You can use Planx tool, select the rows and trim, or simply you can click on the column, Control F, replace, double space here and replace. We're going to repeat the same in the resource assignment, double space remove, like this. Okay, and we'll back to the PMS. I will add new column here. I already have, so I will write here schedule unit 2 to replicate the schedule unit in case number 1. Now we have to get the plan value from 2-dimension lookup. Okay, the activity ID and the data date. Lookup vertical and horizontal. To use this, there is two methods also. The first one is Xlookup. This new formula, I think only in 365 I started. If this function not available to you, this Xlookup. If this function not available, so skip this part and see how we're going to use match and index. But I will start with Xlookup. Okay, Xlookup here, it's looking for the first term is the lookup value. I will select this one, and then the lookup array. Okay, so I will go for histogram, and I make sure that I select only the valid cells. But I have to press F4 to fix this column with me. Then, so this is the first criteria or the first dimension. How I get the second dimension? We will add in return array another Xlookup. Lookup value, this one, and make it fix it F4. Then in histogram, select from here the first day till the end. So from K1 to CY1. Okay, sorry. Look value, it will be this one, F4, and then the lookup array, this one, in what is the return array, all this value, and you have to make sure this value start from here. If we start from A2, that means from 2, like this, it will be from K2 till CY we have here 50, and make it fixed for the post term. Very important. Then if not found, 0, exact match 0, and search this one, close, and also another 0, 0, and 1. Let's see the result. Okay, why? Sorry, by mistake. This one. Oh, sorry. Here I have to add also histogram before this K. We get 100. Let's drag this one, but this is very critical. Same what we did here. If we drag, okay, I will challenge this. I will drag. Why it's not work? Second one, same. We have okay. So we forget to fix this term here. Fix it. Drag down. Drag. And I can select here the format to be the same. You see, here it worked because I have special, not special, يعني, different name for WBS. But if you have a WBS with the same name, it could read in a wrong, like here. You see, this concrete work and this concrete work. Here is 3316 because the setting is to read the first in lookup. That's why with this option we have to use Planix tool, submission level, select here, and now same number. Let's see if I change this one to 10 of December, for example, it will have the same. See, this dynamic, this came from B6. We are good. Okay. As we said, if you don't have the Xlookup available in your Excel version, we're going to see how to use the match and index formula in the next video. So let's go to the next video.